Hello, hello. How are you today? I am trying to go live on Facebook at the same time, so give me a minute. We'll see if I am there recording. I'm recording the session. Let's see if I am on Facebook because I need to be live there as well. So let's see. Are we there? Don't see anyone. I'll stream on Facebook. Okay, continue. So thank you for your patience. I think I make it happen now by a few clicks. Yes, I'm learning the technology. I'm trying going from Zoom to Facebook Live, and I think I will be there. Meeting is now streaming live on Facebook. Great. So I'm there. So once again, good evening for all of you. Very happy to see you again every Monday. So today's my topic is about social media, because as you know, I start to speak more about social media because we are preparing a new platform which help every entrepreneur and business owner actually to increase their influence, their followers, and their sales on social media. And because I know that this topic is not very usual for every entrepreneur or business owner. Many people are doing the business the old ways, and I come today to change your mind. So I will tell you today our topic is 3 posts, like simple post. If you want to start to increase your followers and your customers on social media. And before I start this 3 posts, I give you this 3 posts, I have a question for you. How nowadays you are using the social media in general? This is the question for you. How you are using, for example, if you are an entrepreneur, you are on Facebook or you are on LinkedIn, this platform for business owners, how you are using it. And I tell it many times, then when I ask somebody who especially is an entrepreneur who is selling a product or service, or a business owner who has some business, they are selling, for example, homes, they are selling some products, they are manufacturing some products. I look at their profile and on social media. What I see in general, it's for me shocking, especially in 2024. I see, for example, they are forwarding some posts from somebody else, especially if we are talking about motivational posts, is number one thing. Or they are putting something about their travel, their pets, their family members. This is what is happening on social media for entrepreneurs. There are few people, just few, who are using the social media in their benefit. And now I will give you some, how to say, ideas to think about it. When we have in 2021, we have a COVID situation. This situation, I hope that will not be repeated anymore. But where we were. At that time, we were at home. We are sitting on social media. We are online. All the businesses, it could be online, was online. I was in a company which was online. So we switched everything from face-to-face meeting to online meeting. And from that point to today, everything online is increasing. Because why? Because the people already used to be on social media from that 2 years ago. And a lot of people benefit from this change, and they shift their mind and they start to post on social media about their business. But there are many people since now 2024, they are still looking in the old ways how to do the business. And I will tell you another thing. There are statistics, there are 30% of every business, for example, restaurants, hotels, every service business, they are increasing 30% of the sales coming from Uber, Eat, or any kind of these services. So the people are going to their social media and to apps, and they are ordering food via social media. So the customers of this restaurant are sitting where on social media. So I am giving you this idea to understand that your customers are on social media. In any business, you have customers on social media, and should be like this. And you need to understand, if you are telling me that I don't want to go to social media because, for example, I'm afraid of it, I will tell you that you are losing and letting these customers go to somebody else who actually is in your competition or doing the similar thing. I give this story many times, or two stories. First story is that there are a company which are selling interior design. I find this owner of the company, not secretary, not somebody in the sales doing the post for them, but the owner himself sitting in the TikTok because I'm there. And he was selling his services, telling people what he is doing himself. And I was very surprised because I wasn't thinking that if he doesn't have any products, like small products, like for beauty, for health, but he has this type of business, and he was showing case about it. And I met him on TikTok. We exchanged our WhatsApp, and I had back then a project in Saudi Arabia, so I refer this guy to Saudi Arabia. So it means that he find his business again via TikTok. This is one story. Another story is that there are a lady, she is a dietitian. She is giving diet for people, and I tell her she should start to speak about her business, speak about what she is doing, nutrition, on social media. So I help her, and she decided to open her TikTok and speak about the diet and give some advice and valuable information about it herself. And she get customers, and she grow her followers, and she get money. So the money is on social media, and it is the idea that you need as a business owner to be on social media as well yourself. And I will tell you yourself why, because I believe myself, I'm a business owner, and I believe that people will buy from you because of you. And you are a person who you know the most your business, what is this about. So I'm inviting you to change your mentality. I can help you with that. Don't worry about that. I will change your mentality to start posting about social media. If you have any blockage, any limiting self-belief about it, we can start. I can work with you about that. But you need to decide, of course. You need to decide, and you need to understand that you need to be on social media as entrepreneur or business owner. So this is the introduction. And now I will give you the three simplest way how we can help you to start. And it is post, not video, because people are afraid from the camera. I was afraid as well. How I face it, actually, I do it. I just open the camera, which was, I was seeing my videos like 3-4 years ago, and I was like shocking from myself how my videos were looking like. But you need to start somehow. You need to start. Just do it. So the first advice is to post or do a video or post behind the scene, like some photos behind the scene, how you are preparing. For example, are you curious how we prepare our products? And you put a picture, and you can put a hashtag behind the scenes. This is number one idea. The behind the scenes is a connection between you and your customers. This is how we are doing it. There's number one advice as a post. You can put it, or you can do a camera about it. Number two is a customer testimonial. If you are having a real customers, like all 10 years or something, ask the customer, please, you are happy with us, give us some testimonial, and I will put it on my social media. And for example, you can put, we love to hear about this amazing customer. Thank you for your experience. And the experience, you put the experience. So the customer testimonial, you can put a hashtag happy clients or something like this. And number three is the new arrival and the promotions, because everybody loves promotions. And I think that this is something, if you have a products or you want to give away. Now we are in Halloween, I don't know. There are special dates to give away some things. and you put like 10% discount because you have brand new products coming soon, or you want to promote. Is about promotion. It's a new arrival promotion, 10% for your products. So number one, behind the scene. Number two is customer testimonial, and number three is new arrival. And this is like the post. And I will give you this fourth one, like gift from me, is telling the people about your story. People wants to know about your story. People wants to know how you started, why you love your business. You can put like idea about, for example, 5 years ago, I was there. This is the idea that I was telling people that I want. It's my vision, because I created in 2023 my mentorship program called Succeed Otherwise. And I am focusing on entrepreneurs. My vision is that entrepreneurs will grow. And when entrepreneurs will grow, it means that the economy will grow. And so I will be focusing on like interviewing the entrepreneurs in special questions, so they can be seen more. So I have podcast, I have a special network for entrepreneurs to grow and collaborate with each other. As well, I mentor them in a different way. Especially today, I was talking to someone about identity shifting. Identity shifting is or mind shifting is something which I love to talk about it, the mind shifting and also the energy shifting thing for entrepreneur, because sometimes they are blocked somewhere, and I need to unblock them. The identity shifting is very important because you can actually shift your identity to achieve what you want to achieve. So this is number three, what I can help you. And the fourth things, which our topic is the social, how to say, social influence, which is something new. We bring it to Europe since the 1st of October. Is this platform which can help you actually to increase your sales and increase your influence on social media and your customers. This is a platform with many languages, 10 languages. As well, there are experts who can help you with this, how to say, mission to become more influencer on social media. Some people tell me, no, please, I don't like to be influencer. I don't want to be seen. You don't need to be seen to become influencer. This is like a myth. Just to be seen as a business, not like posting something about your personal life. As I thought last time, I said to people, you can share something about your travel, something about your family. It's up to you. About your personal life, but as entrepreneur, your main focus is to share case about your business and give value, because imagine this, that there are customers who are waiting actually to you. Sorry for that, it was a call. So I was talking about the I forget. Oh my God. I forget. I said that you need to be, imagine that if you learn how to promote your business on social media, actually you are earning the customers. If you have a valuable thing to share, you need to be sharing it on social media. So if you are interested in social influence, which is this platform, let me know. And I will be doing a 15 minutes call with you and telling you how you can be part of this platform, because we here in Czech Republic, we will be opening it officially on the 16th of November. But I'm talking to people now to prepare them for that. It's already like prepared. So let me know. I speak 3 languages, so you can we can talk in Arabic, in English, and in Czech. And I can invite you on this 16th of November to see the platform live and ask questions and everything. But before that, I'm ready to tell you about the event and ready to tell you about the platform, more information, because it will help you to grow your business online and grow the people who are interested in your business and your products and service. So this is what I want to tell you today. I will be seeing you next week again with another topic to elevate entrepreneurship and succeed otherwise. So see you soon, and thank you for liking these videos and all my videos. So you can follow me on my YouTube channel, Wissal Sukkari. Also, I'm on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, my name. And see you soon, and thank you for sharing this video for all. Bye-bye.